Welcome back everyone. Today we're installing some braided brake lines on a 350Z, and we have Derek coming around with his E36 Compact drift car, and we're gonna help him with some bits and bobs. So this is what we got: the lines, some P-clips, brake fluid and some instructions. Don't need that, we're just gonna wing it. Okay, so this is coming out, this is all coming out, is deleting this square thing, this is coming out too, and this line is coming out and is connected to here, and it goes gonna go straight from there to the caliper, deleting everything else. So we'll be using the long one, that will connect straight to the caliper, and that will connect to that hard line there. First you want to put something pressing the pedal down so there is pressure on a brake system, so it just doesn't leak all the fluid out. We're gonna change the fluid anyway, but if a lot of air goes into the system, then it's a lot harder to bleed. It's already gonna be hard, but we don't want to make it worse. There is a bit of wood wedged in there, and that should do the trick. So yeah, we're gonna get started on this side and start disassembling the old line out. That's really tight. There you go. Okay, that's the first line out. I'll show you guys. So that's how it looks like. We've got all this stuff. It's pretty, you know, it's like rubber kind of thing, and that's what we're replacing it with. It's pretty hard. It's braided, obviously. And while I'm doing all that, Peter has been having fun organizing all the bolts and stuff. Bolts and nuts.
That's nuts. Well, that's kind of tricky now. Tricky one. If no one knows it, KFA, it means key from Allen.
Key from Allen, I like it.
And Torx.
Nice. Nice. We do need some organization in this garage, because always stuff everywhere.
Time spent on looking for right size of a ball where all is mixed up, so that's some good stuff.
actually looking pretty good.
This is the first one to start with is the worst. It's going slow.
Connect this. Obviously I'll have to tighten up everything. I want to connect that. This is connected. Now I'm gonna get the P clips in. Should be 2 of them. Okay, P clips. We'll reuse the original bolt. Nice. I think that's
Ready?
yeah, I mean, still have to tighten it up, but
Completed, yeah, but that's later.
success.
Nice.
Okay, that is looking good. Now Peter is gonna turn the wheel and make sure there is no rubbish anywhere. Nice and slowly to one side. Yeah, all the way.
All the way?
What? That's it. That's it.
Yes.
Nice. Looking good. The other way now. Okay. Yeah, turn the other way again. Ooh, there we go. That's a problem, you see? It touches the disc. We don't want that. Turn the other way again. Yeah, that's okay. But then when you come this way, the line touches the disc. Huh. Okay. Well, I'm gonna have a little think and see what we're gonna do here. Okay, so we change it to up here on the next one. Let's see how it goes. Actually, slow, 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 slow. There, keep going. Okay, that's good. Now the other way. Yeah, I'm not 100% sure. Is it gonna clear the wheel? The other way? Right, this way is good, not stretched or anything. Then when you go the other way, it's got like a little bulge. I don't know. We'll have to put the wheel on and see how it goes. Okay, we'll put the wheel on. And it looks like it's got a pretty good clearance there. Peter, turn it. Oh, something's going wrong. There you go. Yeah, it's good. Go back. Yeah, that's it. Looks good. We're going with that. Okay, now we're gonna bleed the brakes. Got the whole thing hooked up. Go on, Peter. Yeah, nice and slow. Now we're gonna put the wheel on and move on to the next side. Yeah, boy.
Time to fix a hunk of junk, huh?
Yeah, how's it going? All good?
Yeah, I'm all good, man. I'm all good. It's good fun.
What are we doing with this today, mate?
Sorting out the mega floppy shifter and changing my seat out.
What's wrong with the shifter?
But considering this is in third right now,
Damn.
yeah, it's like I could go into fifth and first at the same time. Right, come on. Yeah. Go from normal float to chassis mount. Hopefully it works and fixes that. We'll see.
No, man, we're gonna have a go. Get that in. Alright, so we're gonna jack the car up. disconnect that underneath, get rid of all of this and get a new one in. That's the old shifter. That's a new one, but looks like we got a problem.
Well, it's a bit tight. You can see, I mean, you're not gonna see on the camera, right? But it goes a little bit. You have to go through this, and that pin literally just gonna hold it like here.
Yeah.
That one is new, obviously, so it goes tight in it. So we're gonna have to figure it out whether we have to sand it a little bit, that pin which is underneath the car, or we're gonna drill it a little bit.
Sounds like a plan.
Yep, let's do it.
Happy?
Happy.
Well, Peter and Derek been messing about with that thing there, trying to get that shift knob in.
Messing about, being professional.
Yeah, fully professional.
You need to get down.
I've taken the other brake line off, and we're gonna get the other one in. What's going on, boys?
We put it in.
We've got it in the hole. We've had to sand the actual mount itself, because where it's been made, they painted on the inside. So we've had to just shave all of that paint off, and it's gone straight in.
Nice.
So now it's just centering it, and then it's gonna be drilling holes.
Yeah. You having fun there, Peter?
Oh yeah.
Nice.
So much fun.
Okay, the line is in. Now we're gonna get another update on how they're doing. What's the update?
I want to set it alight.
We need to do some manual modifications.
Yes.
Without a hammer, not possible.
Nice. What's going on? Explain.
So we have to move a little bit them hard lines for the hydro, a little bit push them to the back, so we're gonna have better spot to place it, the base of a short shifter, and it's going to work out really good.
Nice.
Okay.
That's a nice sticker you got there. Alright, the shifter is in.
So we put on the self tapper for now, just to see how it works, and look at that. Push, push,
Nice.
push, push. Beautiful.
It looks a lot shorter too.
So much nicer.
It's so much better
It
now.
feels so much better.
It's gonna
Right.
be nice ride after that.
Decent sense.
Send
Yes,
it.
sir.
All drilled?
Yeah, all drilled. 4 holes are ready. We got bolts. What are they?
One bolt.
We got bolts, nuts, and washers ready. So we're just gonna mount it.
Nice.
It's gonna be easy. That's gonna be really easy. Okay, let's do it then.
Okay. This is done. We just bled the brakes. That's all done. And Derek's car, the whole thing. Oh, what's going on there?
No, I'm just checking how it feels like. It's just like you can move every possible way you can, freely, without any resistance at all.
That was really boring, wasn't it?
Yeah, really bad.
Nice. The new one is in. Looks good.
It feels much better.
It does feel a lot better,
Hold on.
doesn't it?
Less smooth, shorter gears. It's absolutely great.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's ready for some sideways action. I'm gonna tackle the rear now. Hopefully it's a bit easier. It should be, because it's less stuff to take. So we just have to take this line from here and from there. Yeah, gonna do it. But before I do it, let's do a quick check on. Okay, now I've been attacked by a fly right in my eye. Quick check on Derek. What's going on?
taking the seat out. Got a different seat to go in.
Yeah.
A bit loose around the old booty. So, different seat to go in, and
Nice, that looks nice.
hopefully be a bit more comfy and a bit more held in.
Yeah, I like the red.
I prefer it.
Yeah, it looks good.
And it's damn sight comfier. A lot comfier, because there's like no padding in this at all. Like no padding, and there's a bit here digs straight into the back of my legs, so something a bit more comfy.
Yeah, that looks a lot more comfier.
So
Nice, good luck, mate.
get on with that.
We're gonna get the new line. This is a bit shorter, and there is no P clips or C clips or whatever you want to call it. Alright, the line is on. Nice bleeding time.
Need to empty bottle first.
Empty the bottle
And
first.
it's leaking everywhere.
Leaking everywhere.
Other hose.
Alright, mate.
Oh, sorry.
We did that. Alright, that's all done. Can't really see. Oh, you can. Done and bled. And that's it for this video.
Well, put the wheel on back, lower it down, and I'll go. Yeah. Cheers, mate. Thank you.
Funny guy, eh?
Like and subscribe, otherwise you're getting a local sandwich.
Brake lines are changed, so now we got test drive. How does it feel like?
I don't know. I think it is a bit more bleeding. Yeah, it's a little spongy. I mean, it brakes good, but I think there's probably some bubbles in it somewhere.
So what we're gonna have to do, get more brake fluid, and we're gonna do it again with all 4 calipers just to make sure that it's braking properly, because you know what, better be safe than not to be safe.
Well, yeah, I will. He's filming as well.
Good old blooper reel.
Yeah. Oh, I can stop.